Now we visit our garden of eucalyptus tree and inti tree and bamboo tree and mango tree. So do not worry. Now we has the gas pond of Hindu para. So do not worry here. It is very Hindu para, very good para. So do not worry. Now we see the one pond of ash pond. So it is very good situation. Now this moment they give the bath and do not worry. It is that's all. It is now I'm with me. What is your name?
My name is Tanjila.
My uncle name. My uncle auntie name.
Maimuna Maisha.
My uncle name.
My name is Mashikul Rahman.
Okay. That's all. Thank you, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Tomorrow, Easter day, Bangladesh win the game of 150 run and has the 5 balls and 2 wickets. So that's all.